Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Oscal C20 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Following that, tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose whatever you want to, and then click on your device's display. When you finish, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oscal. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, you need to select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up, and now decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and when you finish, hit Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!